Okay, another video, we're back, custom airsoft one. I did the clips, chrome, and now we're just gonna add patterns with the gun, where it looks like this, which looks pretty cool, I think. And just come over here and use these are real leaves. This one doesn't look very good because it's all dried up and everything. And then I didn't ever use those. These are okay, but they're all dried up, so I'll just be using this. So.
Good boy.
And yes, that's our dog. Okay. And this is black that's going on. Let's take off. Okay, so there's that. And now I'm just going to do it over to this side. Same exact stencil, just on a different part. Okay, it looks okay. Okay, and now I'm just going to put black right onto this one, since I have it already. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the black. And now what we're gonna do, these are just gonna stay chrome, the clips. So that's it for the black. And then now, okay, so now we're doing new chrome. Do we have any? If we add in trees that were close, but we don't really. Well, we have trees, but not the type. These little things, but it'll work.
It's not gonna matter if black drips on there, it's already black.
I know, I'm spreading it out.